Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing one clean audio file and getting it into your project. This saves time later. Once done, convert to MP3 or OGG and keep the file small so it streams well. Then upload it to the Roblox/asset library or copy the asset ID right away. That ID is what you'll drop into Piggy build mode. Make sure you name the asset clearly so you can find it while placing. This avoids accidental reuse of the wrong track. Now add a sound object directly into the map or the part where you want background music. Set the sound ID to the uploaded asset ID, then tweak volume and loop so the music feels natural without overpowering effects. Next, configure playback distance and roll off to control how far players hear it. Choose play on startup if you want it automatically, otherwise trigger it with an event. This step shapes how music supports gameplay, so test different values until it feels right. Finish by playtesting the map and listening across spawn points. Make sure the loop is seamless and the volume balances with sound effects. Once satisfied, optionally add a short script to start, stop, or fade music by round or trigger so it reacts to gameplay. If you run into silence, first confirm the asset is approved and the sound ID is correct. Then check permissions and client versus server placement. Those fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.